my name is Guang&Guo Primary 3.
I'm GUO Primary 6.
So for this lesson, we'll continue with English
Rhetorics.
Okay, so here we'll still be continuing with
Similes in our first part of Rhetorics.
Yes.
So in the last lesson, we had explained about some of those similes related to colors.
So for this lesson, we'll be learning about similes about one of our 5 senses. Hear, touch, sight, smell, and of course taste. But for this lesson, what is more important?
It's taste.
Okay.
Okay, so this part we have taste.
Okay, so I'll give an example. As bitter as gall. What does that mean?
It's just describing the feeling or the taste. But usually this one is feeling.
So, let me write. No.
So
Okay, the meaning is sad.
Yes, as bitter as gall means sad. Okay, so how about different sentences?
Kylie was as bitter as gall as she failed her test. By doing it in one sentence, you can write random names, but there's one thing is that, and for the names, if it's talking about the same, but it still must be the same name. But if it's another person, unless they gave you the name, then you can write your own name. Okay, so another one is as bitter as truth.
As bitter as truth. How about different sentences? As bitter as truth. Well, you might think, how is truth bitter? Well, there are a word called the bitter truth. And that means?
And that means that although it's true, but you are sad about it. Because that you are supporting the wrong thing.
Okay, how about it?
You can say statement, you also can say opinion.
Sentence?
Okay. Jonathan was as bitter as truth. Okay, Jack. Jack was as bitter as truth when he supported the wrong statement. Answer. Okay, statement.
Okay, like this.
Okay, so after this, I gotta say that all these, some of them are written by people. Okay.
So for this part next, just a quick one. Here you have S and S, right?
Yeah.
Some of them you have like. How
Yes.
about those that doesn't have any?
Some might have as if, some might have as though, but some might don't even have. Or that's more or less. More or less.
More bitter than the sea. What does this mean?
Okay, so some people might think, how is the sea bitter?
This just means sad.
I think what does it mean by the sea? I don't. Okay, so why do you say more bitter than the sea? Isn't the sea
just a
salty?
description, okay?
Okay.
So it's just describing that it is more like worse than something, right?
Okay.
So what kind of examples?
Give an example. The feeling of losing the match. Okay, the feeling of losing in the match was more bitter than the sea. It's not more bitter than the sea.
Like this, right?
Okay, so after bitter, what do you want?
After bitter, how about sour?
As sour as lemon?
As sour as
It just means sour.
lemon. It can be, as you said, sour. Or
Sad?
if you say someone feels as sour as lemons, then it can say it's unhappy
Okay.
or just upset.
Because that it might not really be sad, you know?
Okay, example. As sour as lemons.
This cup of water is as sour as lemon. But usually water isn't so sour, right? Unless you added some special things. Okay. Better is to use drink.
Like this.
Another one.
So, sour. What else can you use to describe sour? Like sour as something or as sour as something? As sour. What else can be sour?
Lime.
Lime or
But
lime is
similar
just
to lemon.
lemon, right?
So any others?
How about this word?
Me? I am not sour.
You know this word?
Melancholy.
Yes, this is melancholy. Now,
So-
what does melancholy mean?
Is it a plant?
No, it means sad.
Okay. So just say this.
So that means the meaning of this
Sad.
is upset. Or you can use disappointed, right?
Okay.
As sour as melancholy.
So give an example.
How can you say that someone feels very sad?
Okay, it can be like this guy is as sour as melancholy. But then let me ask you, can it be annoyed or not?
Annoyed? Okay. But usually it's about something sad that happened.
Okay, this event made us feel as sour as melancholy as we seen a sad story.
Okay, so these can be for sour, right?
Okay.
How about spicy? Spicy can just give one example since actually it's for
As spicy
spicy.
as ghost pepper.
Spicy will just mean spicy, right?
As spicy as ghost pepper. Very spicy. Small pepper.
Small pepper.
Actually, if you have noticed that the more smaller the chili is, or you call pepper, the more spicy it is. Okay, so let's go here. It just means spicy.
Example. this bowl of soup is as spicy.
You know why? Some soups sometimes they somehow get to add some ghost pepper for no reason.
Ghost.
That's
Spicy as
the
ghost.
one.
We just write this part closer, okay? A and S. Okay. Spicy as ghost pepper. Then, if you want to add on more description, you can say, my tongue is literally on fire right now. But I want you to leave right now.
Wait,
Okay,
but
let's
there's
just
one thing. What do you want to say literally anyway?
You can just add that, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we have bitter, we have sour, we have spicy.
Sweet as.
How about salty?
Fine.
We go for sweet a lot since actually sweet there can be many different types.
Yes, and a lot written by William Shakespeare.
Okay,
But
as
just we first focus on this.
salty,
Okay, as salty as the sea.
the sea. The sea.
The
How
sea.
about
The sea.
sea, right?
As
Sponge.
as sea sponge trying to trick me.
Yeah, you can say as salty as sea sponge, right?
Okay, so give an example.
So
Meaning
this
just salty.
salty.
Give an example. I'll read it out, but not letter by letter, word by word. Anyway, wait. Okay, then.
As salty as sea sponge.
Write it in a straight line. Let's write this. You have added too much salt. Now it is as salty as sea sponge.
Okay, like this. So it's just representing something is very salty, right? Well, you can also write like sea wind because wind near the sea, they carry some salt from the sea, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's also the same.
Okay.
For next, we have sweet, right?
Yes. So let me give an example. As sweet as music. So what does that mean?
As sweet as music, right?
Yeah.
Okay, as sweet as music. Although music doesn't have to be sweet, but this type is referring to music that sounds nice, and which you call it sweet music.
Okay.
So that means as sweet as music.
Means that it is sweet. So
Okay.
give an example.
So examples can be
The sound of your instrument is as sweet as music. The sound of as sweet as music.
okay. So let me see this part.
Okay, so another one can be as sweet as. What else could be sweet? So what it.
So here is what you hear, right?
Yeah. As sweet as older white lilies.
Okay. Okay, so that means this of what you smell is nice, right?
Okay.
So that means here, what can you have? Examples.
Okay. The smell of this piece of cake is as sweet as older white lilies. Wait. This east.
Okay, so you don't have this
here.
part.
Okay, so can you give another example?
So what kind do you want? Hearing, smell, seeing, or inside the heart?
So since that we already have hearing and smelling, right?
Yeah.
So why not see?
Seeing. You see something that is sweet. You can see something that is sweet.
Or feel?
Feel. You can feel something is sweet. As sweet as, how about the characters? Can you? As sweet as honey.
Okay. If you say actually that's honey, it just means sweet.
Okay.
Write it.
So this is your taste, right? You taste it. It is sweet.
Although here we all use sweet, sweet, bitter, 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 but they might not really mean sweet or bitter, or even sour.
Okay, so you can have these different parts, right? So then
Okay,
one of
so
these
wait.
tastes, there may be different ways.
Can we say sweet, musical,
What do you mean?
sweet, the musical, and then a
Wait, what do you want to describe?
the music.
I want to describe the music. So sweet and musical as, is it? As bright Apollo's lute. Do you want that?
Okay, yeah.
Well, that,
Okay, let's write it down.
okay, we'll just say it out. As you use Apollo,
So first is sweet.
so we use the name Apollo as Apollo is actually the god of musical, the god of like these musics, poetry, all these. Wait, this part. As bright Apollo, lute. This is just another
It's the
example
same as
of music.
meaning. Okay? So now we'll end here. Next time we'll continue.
Oh wait, all these, they might have different ways, right? Bitter,
Okay, so
these are all said, right? That means they're all synonyms. But what if I want the actual taste?
You can say as bitter
As bitter as wormwood.
Okay, what
entire
one is a plant that very bitter? Or let us say
It
bitter.
looks similar to cannabis.
Yeah.
Okay, so all these different ways of writing, they might have different meanings or even one of them might have multiple meanings. They might be synonyms, they may be antonyms.
Okay, so now we'll end here. Next time we'll continue with similes.
Okay.
If you like our video, click the subscribe button below and hit the like.
Okay. Thank you for watching.